You have learned almost everything about functions. In this lesson, I just need us to extend it a little bit and look at relationships that involve formulae. The function y is equal to 3x minus 5. It has two variables, and those variables are x and y. Remember, y depends on the value of x, which means if we know what x is, we can find y. And so y is called the dependent variable, whereas x is called the independent variable. Let's look at another function which connects more than just two variables. You will have met a formula like this one before. If not, you'll meet it sometime in physics. V is equal to u plus at. V there stands for the final velocity. U is called the initial velocity. A is called the acceleration, and t is the time. In that formula, you will notice there are four variables. There is v, there is u, there is a, and there is t. And suppose that we knew the value of u and the value of a and the value of t, then we could actually substitute and work out what v is. Similarly, if we know any three of those, then the fourth one can actually be found just by substituting. Let us look at this one together. V is equal to u plus at. What is the value of v? Given that u is equal to 8 and a is equal to 13 and t is equal to 4. So we're just going to substitute into that formula. V equals u plus at. This time we know u is 8, a is equal to 13, and t is equal to 4. So we just substitute and simplify or work out the answer. I think we'll get v is equal to 60. What about the value of a? Given that u is 16, v is 46, and t is equal to 10. Once again, our formula v is equal to u plus at can be copied down here. But now we know v is 46 in this case. U is equal to 16 in this case. We are looking for a, that is what we are looking for. But t is equal to 10. So we end up with something like that. If you simplify that, that would give us an equation, this time with only one variable a, and so we can work out a, the normal way we solve equations. Therefore, a should be equal to 3.